Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating and somewhat controversial topic that affects many of us, legal notices. You might be thinking, legal notices? Boring. But trust me, this is more interesting than it sounds. Just recently, the Supreme Court ruled that a notice doesn't have to be labeled as legal to be considered valid. Can you believe that? So what does this mean for you? Let's break it down. First off, let's clarify what a legal notice is. It's essentially a formal communication that informs someone about a legal obligation or a breach. But here's the kicker. The court said that if a communication effectively conveys the details of a default, potential consequences, and the sender's intent, it's valid, regardless of whether it says legal notice on the top. So, what are the essential components of a valid legal notice? The court outlined 4 key elements. 1. Clear facts. It should present a concise set of facts leading to the relevant circumstances. 2. Intimation of breach. It must convey any impending legal obligation or breach committed by any party. 3. Intent to hold liable. The sender needs to express their intention to hold the other party liable for legal action. 4. Unambiguous communication. It should be clear and not mislead or suppress material information. Now you might be wondering, what if I receive a notice that doesn't say legal notice? Can I just ignore it? Well, according to the court, that could be a risky move. Ignoring a notice that meets these criteria could lead to serious consequences like legal action against you. But here's where it gets juicy. This ruling raises some eyebrows. Is it fair that a notice can be considered valid without the formal label? Are we opening a can of worms where people might misuse this ruling? What do you think? Shouldn't a legal notice be clearly labeled as such? Or do you believe that the substance of the communication is what truly matters? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's talk about the case that brought this ruling to light. The Kamala Nehru Memorial Trust had their land allotment cancelled by the Uttar Pradesh State Industrial Development Corporation due to non-payment. They argued that only one notice was valid, while UPSIDC claimed earlier communications were sufficient. The court sided with UPSIDC, stating that the earlier notices were valid even without the legal notice label. So what's next? This ruling could potentially change how legal notices are issued and interpreted across the board. It might even impact how businesses and individuals communicate about legal obligations in the future. As we wrap up, remember that understanding the nuances of legal communications is vital. You never know when a simple email or letter could have serious legal implications. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Kanoonplus, and share it with someone who might need to hear this. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.